What's up, guys? How are y'all doing today? So I'm tired right now. This is currently 6:40 a.m. So I gotta do my hair right now. So I pretty much just got home and now I think I'm gonna watch a quick YouTube video right now. Okay, so we're just gonna go downstairs right now. So yeah. All right, we're just having spaghetti for dinner tonight. Oh yeah, look at all of those stuff over there. All right, so now I'm gonna play some Roblox High School. Oh yeah. Okay, so now I found out you can do live videos on Instagram. So I was watching a live video today on Instagram. By the way, hold on one second. Hey Dad, guess what?
What?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting dog.
What?
Interrupting dog.
Interrupt.
Ah! Gotcha. Do you like that knock knock joke?
Well, I just don't like the way you yell.
Hi Holly. You want a treat? Holly. 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 Sajana! So I'm pretty much going to wrap that up for today's vlog. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a new vlog. And if you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And so yeah, thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.